In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay your SOLECO bills using GCash. By the end, you'll know exactly which buttons to tap, what details to enter, and how to confirm everything with confidence so your payment goes through smoothly the first time. Start by opening the GCash app on your mobile device. Make sure you're connected to a stable internet network and that your GCash wallet has enough balance to cover your bill and any minimal fees that may apply. Once the app loads, look for the Bills option on the home screen. It's usually labeled clearly and sits among the main services. Tap Bills to enter the bill payment section. At the top, you'll see a search bar. Tap it and type SOLECO. This helps you quickly find the correct biller without scrolling through the categories. When the SOLECO biller appears, tap it to open the payment form. Take a quick moment to confirm the biller name on this screen so you know you're paying the right company. You'll now be prompted to enter the amount. Type the exact amount shown on your current bill statement. Entering the correct amount helps you avoid partial payments or delays in posting. Next, provide your bill number and your account name. These must match the details printed on your bill. Type them carefully, paying attention to any letters, numbers, or hyphens. If your account name includes a middle initial or suffix on the bill, include it here exactly as shown to ensure the payment is properly applied. After you've filled out all the fields, tap Next. You'll see a confirmation screen with a summary of your payment. This is your chance to double-check everything. The biller is SOLECO, the amount is correct, and the bill number and account name match your statement. If you spot any typos, go back and fix them. It's faster to correct now than to resolve a misapplied payment later. When everything looks good, proceed to pay. Depending on your device settings, you may be asked to confirm with your GCash PIN or biometrics. Keep your screen on while the app processes the transaction. In a few moments, you should see a success message along with a digital receipt reference number. It's a good idea to save a copy of this receipt or take a screenshot for your records just in case you need proof of payment later. That's it. You've opened GCash, tapped bills, searched and selected SOLECO, entered the amount, bill number, and account name, reviewed your details, and completed the payment with confidence.